somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are you gonna go ahead and start then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just trying to see what kind of data we needed to open up, because I'm pretty sure dentist office bills for first one.
Yep.
Okay. So let me just kind of close out of this here. Oh, shoot. I just closed out of SPSS. That's going to put us back a little bit. I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Okay. It takes forever to open up. You know, I was looking at that data page, the website, and it says you can download all that as a zip file. I wonder at the very top. On that BYU statistics page.
Oh, so you can just have all of them.
I wonder if it would
get to this page.
They should just be in there then, I think. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Then I shouldn't have to go back and forth to 5 million different pages.
Yeah, because I don't remember the web address.
No, I always have to find a link to it too.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you watch the videos for the prep assignments with that kid that teaches them? It's not a kid, but
with the instructor?
So, you know, there's the one that goes along with the book or whatever, and you can't see the instructor's face.
Mm-hmm.
And he talks kind of soft. And then there's another one. It says, if you missed any of these problems, click and watch this video. And there's like a black-haired. You watch those?
No. Like, where is it on?
Yeah, so you'll go to, it's just right on the individual prep page.
Okay.
And it'll say, if you've missed any of these problems, watch here. And so initially that's all I was watching. I didn't even watch the other guy. But this kid, you see his face and everything, and he explains things so much easier than the slides.
Okay.
And he'll like work problems out on the chalkboard.
Uh-huh.
And it's quick, and you can jump from problem to problem on it. The only problem I've had is that sometimes he'll walk you through Excel stuff that you don't, you know, you just have to kind of watch.
Okay. Yeah, I need to go into
I
always watch the lesson.
But that's all I was watching the first time, and I'd be like, how do you know this stuff? And it was because you were watching the different videos than I was.
Uh-huh.
And anyways, but he's really good at just explaining things super simple. So
okay, I'll just try that.
Okay, I've got it open now. Okay, samples are independent. Oh wait, no, I'm way down. Oh, sorry. What requirements must be checked when conducting a hypothesis test comparing two means with independent samples? It's got to be A and B.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, the test statistic for a hypothesis test comparing two means is
the t-score.
T-score. Okay, two samples are independent if, no, it'd be the second one, right?
Right.
Okay.
Oh, so that guy too, that second thing walks you through all of the prep assignment.
Oh.
That's what I meant. Like he's answering the questions. He's doing the whole prep assignment.
That's nice.
How to do it. So yeah, it teaches you. I like it. Okay.
Help me with my vocabulary because I always get the terms all mixed up.
Well, I watch it and you know how poor my vocabulary is.
Okay. So when we're doing this.
So this one, hold on.
So don't we just do the analyze?
Do
we do is this where we start doing the independent samples test?
Right. Yep. So you go to analyze, compare means, independent sample test.
And then the dentist bill.
Right. And then I didn't read the question. It's telling us to group by city.
Okay. Now what?
Do we group by city? Yeah. So we just do Rexburg. Correct? I didn't even look at the data. Yeah. Okay. So then you put in city as the grouping variable, and then you define the group, and you're going to put in Rexburg.
For group 2 or group 1?
I think it's group 1.
So that's group 2.
Okay. Idaho Falls. That's what. So we'll do 2 groups. We'll do Idaho Falls for group 1, and group 2 will be Rexburg. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
That's okay. I think I spelled something wrong here.
It didn't work.
That's because we spelled one of the things wrong.
How did we both do that? Mine are spelled right.
It has to be exactly what's on the.
So Idaho Falls doesn't have a space?
Yeah, it has to be exact.
Okay.
So whatever's on the data has to be exact. So Idaho Falls didn't have a space on the data set?
Right.
Okay.
It still didn't work.
Okay, let me look again. That was Rexburg felt as well. Let's see, cancel. Why isn't that working? That should work.
How do you know when to use the one sample t and the independent samples t-test?
The one sample t is with the paired, the matched, and the one I reverse that. Which that down?
All right, I need to plug my laptop in. Hold on.
Okay. Why is this not working? Okay, so let's try. We have to be able to separate them out.
We have to do what?
We have to be able to separate them out because we can't just find for all of it. So we have to do the independent sample means for Oh my gosh. This group's command specifies an unknown variable. But we're typing it right.
Would it be cheating if we just deleted the Idaho Falls info?
No, I mean, but the problem is, I think to keep on going, we're going to need both of them. We have to separate them out. You have to look at graphs and everything. Maybe not in this, but
Okay, should we go back and watch the video then?
yeah.
Okay.
Because oh, wait. Don't. I think I know what's wrong.
Okay.
Analyze descriptive statistics. This
Okay.
we were just doing a step ahead.
Okay.
Go to explore.
Yep.
Okay. And put over dependent list. Wait. I have it written down from step. Okay, hold on. Give me a second here, just while I look at this.
Oh. How did I not catch any of this?
Okay. Go to analyze.
Yep.
Descriptive statistics. Go to explore. Then
Yep.
you put in the dependent list dentist bill.
Okay.
In the factor list city.
Okay.
And then we label the cases by.
By what? There's you can't do anything.
Okay, so factor list city. Okay, so now just press OK.
Okay.
Okay, so now it tells us it's split. You see that? Idaho Falls, Rexburg.
I see it.
I found from that kid that walks you through the level, the preparation assignments. So I wrote it down.
Okay. All right. So.
Do you want to read that down so you know?
Yes, I
Okay,
will.
so you go analyze, descriptive statistics, to explore. Then you put something in the dependent list, and then something in the factor list.
How do you know what to put in what?
You'll know, like this one was the example that I watched was wages towards gender, and these ones we know it's the dentist bill towards city.
Okay.
So it'll be obvious when you do it.
Okay.
But so like in the example, it split up males from female wages, and this is splitting up Idaho Falls from Rexburg for us.
Okay.
That makes sense. Sorry. Okay. So normally I do my homework before I do this, and I just did all the prep stuff. I haven't done the homework yet. So I did the paper homework. I haven't done the online homework. So,
right.
So what is the degrees of freedom for, and all we want is for Idaho Falls?
Yeah, and I don't, like, where is that?
Oh, come on. Okay.
Well, Isn't degrees of
Okay. So now,
-1?
huh?
Isn't degrees of freedom just the sample size -1?
But it's a different sample. I mean, I guess you'd have to count how many's in. So yeah, it'd be 19. But okay, so now this is, I've got this information too. Okay, so analyze, compare means. This is what we were just trying to do and it wasn't working though, huh? Independent sample test.
Okay.
Yeah, that wasn't working.
Oh, I got it. No, I
Put it
didn't.
here.
No, I didn't. Oh.
It seriously should work. And we have to have that.
Okay.
Is it maybe because look at when we're looking at what did work, Idaho Falls is only spelled with an L. There's not LLS. I'm going to try that when you're looking at the statistics.
Okay.
I'll try that. Maybe it's just too long.
No, it still doesn't work.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Analyze, compare means, independent sample t-test. Let's see if I can. I'm watching the video. See if I can remember.
Well, maybe we do just delete all of Idaho Falls.
Let me show you how we analyze comparisons.
Okay, showing.
If I decide to put in the solution for a if I remember right, it's type of line first, but if I type it in the second one, if I'm continuing to kind of
Yeah.
results.
That's right?
Hold on. He said it doesn't work because it's too long.
Anything beyond 8 is too much. Okay. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to analyze comparisons and some of this test. And instead of using the group variable, I'm going to put that back over here. I'm going to use the root variable. And I'm going to define groups now by just saying 1 and 2.
Well, he says he just changed the group, but we don't have another group to change to. He said if it's longer than 8, it's too long. And so he changed it to a different group, but we don't have another group.
So what if we just change all of Idaho Falls to Idaho?
No, because his group names were DEV and GEN. It wasn't the length of the word. It was the length of the, like we have 20 Rexburg.
Mm-hmm.
And so he was saying if it's longer than 8, then it won't work. So he just changed it to a different group, but we can't do that.
Well, Rexburg would have the same problem because there's 20, right?
Yeah. What if we're doing this backwards? No, because the city doesn't, I mean, I thought maybe what if we put the city in the test variable? because that's the only other way we can do this. Okay, let me keep watching this video.
Samples t-test, and instead of using the root variable, I'm going to put that back over here. I'm going to use the recode variable.
The
And I'm gonna
recode
define
variable.
groups now by
Do we need to make a recode variable?
Mm,
Do you remember that at all?
seems familiar.
Okay. God, I feel like I need to watch this whole. It's only a 5-minute video. I'm just gonna watch the whole thing over again.
Hello, this is Burley Kermer from the Math Department. This is a supplemental videos dealing with inference retrieving independent samples. And the supplement is doing the SPSS commands. So what we're going to talk about is the 4 types of commands that you need to do samples in SPSS. First is histogram. I've done this before, but they'll be different for us. There's the explore command, same type of
Okay, moving
We're
on.
going to take the measure variable, which is nice for you to up with that variable. We've done that before. But now what we have to do is
Oh, I have recoding right here.
to
Transform automatic record or recode.
Okay. Does it say how to do it?
Then you're gonna go to city, new name. How did I find this? I don't understand. If we're trying to recode the new variable.
put in the rows box. We have
Oh, is it because city has a bunch of, I don't know.
Okay. See if he'll go to recoding. Yep, right there.
have to use the automatic recode. So what I recommend to use is what's called transform automatic recode.
Okay. Go to, that's the wrong page. Transform
Mm-hmm.
automatic recode. And I think you do city. Hold on.
So I'm going to take the group variable, put that here, okay, and I'm going to create a new name. I'm just going to call this ERP recode. And then add new name, and then click on OK. And then when you do that, you'll get a new column. Okay? Now we're going to use this column.
Okay. Here we go. So we want to recode the city name.
To what though?
It will make a new column for you. So we'll call it city recode.
Well, shouldn't it just be called Rexburg then, or no?
No, because it's going to do all of them. It's going to do Idaho Falls and Rexburg.
So no space, right? City recode.
Yeah.
Add new name.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it'll have, and then you push OK, and then go back to your table, and it has a new column there. And now it has renamed all of Idaho Falls 1 and all of Rexburg 2.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, now we go to analyze, compare means, and now in the defined groups, we're going to put the city recode column in there.
Wait, so you're in compare means independent sample test, right?
Yes. So dentist bill is still in the test variable, and then the city recode is in the grouping variable. And then you've got groups 1 and 2 that are literally number 1 and 2.
Oh my gosh. Why are they so mean?
Make things complicated.
So group 1 is Idaho Falls, group 2
Is Rexburg.
Rexburg. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now,
For Rexburg, what is the degrees of freedom? It's 30. See, but
It's the bottom one because
right,
it's,
but it's asking just for Rexburg, which confuses me.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
So I wonder if we go back one more step and do what we did the second time around, where we did the analyze descriptive statistics, explore.
Analyze,
Descriptive.
explore. Why are we doing this?
Because we just want it for Rexburg. We don't want it for both of them. So then you go to city. Well, you take that out. You put in city recode. And then factor list. And then you press OK. Nope, but it doesn't give us. Okay, I guess it was what we were doing in the first place.
Still the same numbers anyways. Okay, so I'm going to go with 37.996.
Hold on, because now I have completely different numbers.
I don't know.
Because I have now okay, never mind. 37.996.
Is that what you have?
Yep.
Okay. Standard deviation. I've got 206.637.
Round to 3 places.
Okay.
What are we looking at? 20 standard deviation. Okay. Yep, 206.637.
637.
A statistic.
Why am I writing this down now? 637. Do you get to a point where all the numbers look the same?
Yeah, I'm just kind of. Wait, what did you get for your test statistics?
Negative 0.343.
Okay.
434.
Right. Yeah, I'm right now. P-value.
Six, 666.
Uh-oh.
You didn't get that? Oh.
Wait, and we don't have to divide that? Do we remember what to add?
So 333.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and that is greater than, so we reject, right? And I got that backwards.
We
Don't reject. We fail to reject.
to reject.
Okay.
We would still fail to reject because it would be 6 for 11.
Stupid recoding. Oh, we have to do another one.
Hopefully we don't have to recode this one.
Okay.
Freshman dinner. Yeah, I'm kind of done.
Kinda.
I still need to do my, okay, freshman dinner.
Oh.
All right, what do we need from freshman dinner?
The alternative.
Okay, use the data file. The data represents the number of times freshmen students from Utah and Colorado cook their own dinner in a month. You suspect freshmen from Utah cook dinner for themselves a different number of times. So it would just be
Not,
B?
yeah.
And then two-tailed, what is the test statistic? Okay, let's see. What's your guess? Think we can just do it?
No, I think we gotta recode again.
Well, how many are in here?
2.
22. Okay, transform. How do we recode? Where's my paper?
Transform. No, it's automatic recode.
Transform, automatic recode,
And state.
state, over. And then,
State recode. It doesn't matter what you name it, just so that your column has a different name. Okay, that's great.
okay.
Now we do
Now.
analyze, compare means, independent. The test variable will be freshman. The grouping variable will be state recode. We will define them as groups 1 and 2. Okay. Did you get it?
We got it.
Okay. Test statistic is
Here, you
What?
wanna ask and I'll give you the numbers
sure.
and then you can tell me when I get over because going back and forth is kind of doing it. Okay.
Okay.
Negative 0.845.
Okay, p-value,
The p-value is 0.410.
and it's two-sided, so that's right.
Mm-hmm.
That is greater than the significance, so we fail to reject, correct?
Right.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get over there now. It's not going to ask us any more information because we decided to do it this way.
Okay. Yeah, okay. So test statistic is negative 0.845.
Yeah.
P-value is 0.410.
Reject the null.
What is the lower limit? I got negative 5.137.
Yeah.
Does it say round or not? Yeah.
And this
Okay.
should be because we have a 0 in here, we can't. This is, oh, it doesn't even ask us. Why did they pound that home so much if they're not even going to ask us about that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so the last two you got negative 5.137 and 2.204, right?
Right.
Okay, done.
Yes. I don't even care. 94. What did we miss?
We got 100.
Oh, I missed one.
Oh, how?
I put number 15. I just put the wrong one in.
Oh, bummer.
It was okay. I don't care.
Oh my gosh, we're so done. Ah, that feels good. Okay, we'll go